Very spacious living room. As we move ahead, right here is your kitchen. Right here is your bedroom number one. Just look at the amount of walkable space in Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you a 2 BHK sample flat tour of Raj Meridian located in Andheri West, Amboli Road. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. Have a look at the sales office. Now have a look at the main road. The right side leads you to the road and the left side leads you directly to SV Road. Now let's go inside. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which will lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 0.45 acres with single tower, ground plus 20 floors within configuration of 1-2 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, this has 20 plus world-class amenities including swimming pool, kids play area, jogging track, multi-purpose court and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located right at Amboli Scissor Road, Andheri West, with Azad Lagan metro station at a distance of just 500 meters, Andheri railway station at a distance of just 1.2 km, Jogeshwari railway station at a distance of just 1.3 km, Western Express highway at a distance of just 2 km, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 km. Now let me give you the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Raj Meridian within square feet area of 603. As we enter, right here is your very spacious living room. Have a look at living room. Just look at the amount of walkable space in this room. After placing your entire sofa set and TV unit, there's still so much of open space left over here. Moving ahead, the best part, you get French window attached and then private balcony. So you can enjoy your tea, coffee, have your me time with your family in this balcony. Now let's go ahead. Right here is going to be your dining space. So they have considered and given a good amount of space for dining area as well, where this wall can be used for storage purposes and a 6 to 8 seater of dining place can easily accommodate in this place. Now let's go ahead and check out the kitchen. So as we move ahead, right here is your kitchen. So a very spacious kitchen with two sides of parallel platform you'll be getting. Just look at the amount of place for cabinets on the wall. So there's no problem of storage at all. And then you're going to be getting half French window attached over here as well. Right here where your platform ends is your refrigerator place. So a double door refrigerator can easily fit in this place. So a quite spacious kitchen, I must say. So now let's go ahead and check out the rooms. But before that, let me show you the common washroom. So as we move ahead, right here is your common washroom. You'll be getting this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So again, just check out the space in the common washroom. Now let's go ahead and check out the bedroom number one. So this is your small foyer space, and when we enter, right here is your bedroom number one. Just look at the amount of walkable space in this room, guys. After placing an entire king size bed also, there's so much of walkable space. And right here will be your study area where you can do your work from home, attend meetings. And if you want, you can dedicate this entire wall for your wardrobe space as well. You can design accordingly. You will be getting half French window in this room as well for ventilation purposes. Now let's go ahead and check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available in Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. So as we enter, this is going to be your master bedroom. Have a look at it. Again, a very spacious master bedroom, I must say. Just look at the amount of walkable space in this room that you can place an entire sofa after placing a whole king size bed in this room. Right here, you're going to be getting French window, half French window attached, so a whole wall dedicated for your ventilation purpose. Right there is going to be a wardrobe space, so just look at the amount of depth of the wardrobe. And now check out the attached washroom. So again, a very spacious attached washroom guys with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Raj Meridian. To get more information about this project, don't forget to download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.